Hello, today I'm going to speak about Passover. I am Judy Benami, the Jewish Cultural Director at the JCC. And for Passover, we have one or two big dinners at the beginning of the holiday. And most of us have a special plate that is called, you guessed it, the Passover plate. The Passover plate has 6 slots and it is used to put different things. So I will show you several plates that have the slots, and they're different plates. They are beautiful, and you just for yourself. So this is one. It is festive. It has children all around it, and it says, in every generation, we should each feel that we ourselves took part in the exodus from Egypt. So it celebrates the time that the Jewish people left of Egypt. And what you put in the plate is parsley of fresh leaves, hazeret, that are bitter leaves, haroset, which is a mixture of usually apples, nuts, and wine to make a little paste like it that represents the mortar the Jewish people used when they were in Egypt. Maror, bitter herbs. Pizza is an egg. And the zroa, which is a shake bone on any bone, or for people who are vegetarian, usually use beet. That will represent how the Jewish people were strong, about how strongly they received help from God at the time. And another symbolism is about the sacrifices that people used to do on those times. I will show you a completely different plate. This is more traditional. This is my Israeli plate. It has the same 6 slots, and it is carved all around the story of the Exodus. It is made of metal, and I use it very often. I like it a lot. Got this from my parents, so it's special. This is a very modern plate. Look at that. Still 6 spots. In the middle says Passover, Pesach, in Hebrew letters. And I like it. It's because it's very modern. That's the first plate that I bought when I came to the States. Lastly, here is another very traditional plate. Also says Passover in the middle. And it have the pictures and the words for the same 6 elements that we use for our Seder. Seder is the meal. It's called Seder. Seder in Hebrew means order, because we do prayers and eat the different items in order. In addition, we have matzah bread that we eat not only in the evening of the Passover night, but during all the holiday, which lasts 7 or 8 days, depending on how you celebrate and where are you in the world. In Israel, you celebrate 7 days. In many parts of the world, 8 days. And again, depending on the denomination, some people will celebrate for 7 days.